Hi, hello again. For the last lesson, we have learned about while loop and how to use while loop. There is another type of looping in Python is for loop, and there is two methods to use for loop. First method, if you don't have a list and you don't want to iterate. The first one, if you want to just loop X time. And the second one, if you want to use for to iterate through the list to a list. So if you want to loop a function for 3 times, let's say for repeat in range of 1 to 10. So you want to repeat function hello 10 times. So what is the current execution? Hello 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But for this range, it doesn't include the last, the stop element. So it will only perform the execution 9 times, not 10 times. Maybe 5 times is wiser if you start with 0, because it will do this execution for the 0 and up until 5, but not including the stop range. And another type of execution in for is you want to iterate to a list. Let's say we have a list, a mark 8, 99, 97. Then we want to iterate through this mark. H in mark. Print H mark. So this print H mark at the end. So you don't have to tell Python how many times to print. You don't have to know what is the length of this list. You just use it to iterate through the list for iterate through each element in the list. So it's easier, and it is not so complicated actually if you really understand. So you just need to understand this. It will assign every iteration, every element in this list into this variable temporary for each execution, for each loop repetition. Okay, that's all for this video, and for the next video we will start with our test automation using Selenium.